The supplier who supplied me with my automatic system, I am in their poultry farm right now. They are building the poultry farm here in China, and so they just use this metal structure to get the whole thing set up. This is their mixer. This is what they have as mixer. Every 1 hour they can mix 2 tons. See how it's been done? Really easy but sophisticated. This is their mixer. They produce it themselves, and now they're having their own poultry farm. This is their silo. Their silo can store, should be like 20 ton. This thing can store how many ton? 几吨可以存呢？
大概得70吨吧。这个
20 ton.
More than 20 ton.
Yeah, more than 20 ton. They're gonna connect it to be somehow automatic, where the feed leaves from here and get into the poultry section. Let me show you the poultry farm. It's mind blowing. This is the poultry farm. One of these structures is like 100 meters long. Okay, like 100 meters long. They have like 5 of it. 5 of it, automatic. One person controls the entire poultry farm. With a push of a button, everything is functioning. One worker controls the entire structure. You can imagine. So, this is where they collect the egg. It's this is the egg. This is the control belt, the call it conveyor belt that pulls the egg from the tray, from here. Once the egg comes out, this conveyor belt controls the egg and send it outside right here.
Yeah.
Yes, and then they're gonna build a platform. It's right there, they've shown me. Build a platform right here where you can sit and then pick the egg straight into the tray, and you load in the truck, it goes out. So, I mean, this is their feeding system. It's also automatic. When you pull, you can actually pull it. I guess they're still trying to set the whole structure. These are the wheels. You put the feed inside. While it's being loaded, you pull and it goes. And I think it can also work automatic, where it, with the push of a button, this feeder can just roll by itself, and then the feeders have been filled. So this is the part that controls the quantity of feed that get into the feeder. This is mind-blowing, bro. This is mind-blowing. Yeah, so they supply me with this stuff. You came to my poultry farm, you saw it. The drinking system, they supply it. And I mean, this is the part that this is another conveyor belt that sends out the manure. I'm speechless. This is the first poultry farm. This is where they're gonna be doing their mixing, and that's the next poultry farm right there. It's another poultry farm here. They still have to set up the system. It's still empty. They're still trying to set up the first part. Woo! Mind-blowing, bro. This is crazy. Look at the wall. Let me show you the wall. They have to put this cotton inside. With this cotton, the temperature is really down. Really down. What really impressed me is how easy, how cheap the structure is, you know. How easy and how cheap the structure is, man. We have to buy roofing sheets upon roofing sheets. These papers are damn cheap. Extremely cheap, these papers. All right, we're heading to another poultry farm. They have chicken. It's an old farm. They have chicken. I just want to go see how they run poultry farm here, just to have some more experience. This is used for air conditioner. Okay, we are in another poultry farm. There's stock in the farm. I guess this is the farmer coming. Needs to come and show us his farm. Always the dogs. We must have the dogs. The dogs, baby. So this farm is similar to the one we just checked. Like the previous video I shared. This is their heating system. Yeah, they use this to heat the poultry. This is their feed. Yeah, this is where they store their feed. They store their feed right here. And then, like, they don't have the silo, you know, they don't have the silo. They store their feed in bags. Later on, we're going to check what kind of feed they're using and how it looks like. How much is it? The feed moves from this pipe right up and then it goes inside. So let's go inside and check the poultry farm. See how it looks like. Boy. 可以进去吗？我那个没事。OK。哇！
它自动，very hot。
对。Wow. Humidity inside is different. You see, the camera has just changed. Humidity. Boy, I'm so excited. Wow. 我们往哪边进去啊？
都可以。
Okay, all right. Let's go inside and see. Sorry guys, my camera is not really clear because of the humidity, so I'll be wiping my camera every now and then. They're a little bit stressed from what I can tell. If you look at this one is opening the mouth. It shows that there's heat stress. Now the cage I showed you guys about the farm they're just building. If you haven't checked that video, go check my previous video. You're gonna see it. This is how the cage looks like. This is exactly what I was explaining. They put the chicken inside here, and as they are growing, they're expanding the chicken. If you look right up here, you have some of them right up here. You have some right here. Down here you don't have because they need heat right now. And for me, sitting down here, the temperature down here is different. It's a little bit cold down here, but here it's warm, and then here it's really warm because the heat comes from the pipes you see right up. The pipes up distribute the heat because the inlet is up. Okay. Now this is something I thought of adapting in my farm, and I have seen it in this poultry farm, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Look at this. These are LED lights. Okay, these are LED cable lights that they use, and not the LED bulbs. The LED bulbs consume. They use the LED cables, this cable like this, which is really, really, really economical. And this is what I'm going to use in my farm. They have just confirmed that. Look at this section. Look at their feet. Their feet is right here. This is the pipe that brings in the feet. You can see. Okay, so when the chicken, they are like 10 days, 12 days, they are going to remove some of them and put down here. So we're going to distribute some of them. 这个是代办，他们已经有几天了？7天。7天。7天就分笼了，因为他养的鸡特别多，7天就分笼。现在有7天吗？应该没有吧。有7天现在。7天，对。OK。这个是养到150只。150 birds. 150 birds in here. Yeah. This one is 150 birds. Yeah. Okay, nice. 150 down there. 再大一点就往底下分了。Yes. So with us in West Africa, definitely it's 100. 100 because it's hot. So 100 birds, 100. Okay, 哪一个出来吗？可以啊。Okay. Let's see exactly how the chicks they look like. Look at this one. It's really healthy. Yeah, 跟我的一样的。These are broilers, baby. They're really healthy. Disease free, like 100% disease free. They don't really go with any medication for diarrhea or anything like that because they don't step on their physiques. 太棒了。
这个对于我们肉鸡笼来说就是最高端的了。你摸一下这个，
哦，
你都有一个这个穿这个水暖管，
喂，这个塑料管是干嘛的？
升温的，跟那个外边
OK
锅炉是连在一块的，外边烧水直接通到这里边。这屋里你不觉得特别热吗？
对，
全是靠这个。
是这个。
对，全是这个。我们的温度全是这一个升温的。
对。This is interesting. I thought the heating system comes up, you know, it flows up. But this is the heating system, these pipes. There's water inside this pipe, and once the pipe is warm, it automatically heat up the structure. This is unbelievable. This is their
我
physics.
明天看看叫他们看一下是怎么回事。
That's their physics. So whatever disease they have remain on the conveyor belt. So I guess after every 2 days or so, every day at the end of the day, he turns on the conveyor belt and wipes out the droppings. Let me show you guys the length of this farm. It's almost like 100 meters. You have it on both sides. You have it on the top side, the top section, you have the chicks. Look at where they are eating. They are all broilers, okay? They're all broilers. They're all broilers. Some they are just so excited to see me. Look at everyone is just so excited. Before I came in here, I was asking the boss if I should just come inside. I don't need to put my feet in some kind of disinfectant. He said, no, go inside. I don't need to wash my hand. Because they know exactly the system they've set up. Okay. The system they've set up here is just so perfect. Now, this is where the conveyor belt discharge the waste. Okay, the conveyor belt discharges the waste inside here, and then the second conveyor belt takes the waste outside through that channel. So this is a typical example of a perfect poultry farm. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. Okay, I'm going to do the mathematics later on, because if one of these cage takes 150 birds, okay, this section right here, you see from here to here, it takes 150 birds. Up here is the same, 150 birds. That's 300 birds, 450 birds. So 1, 2, 3, 150 birds. And then how many of these cages do they have? I think we can count. We can count this, but I'm gonna do that later on because, man, I'm just so excited seeing what is available right here. I can't believe this. 这个太棒了，真的太棒了。这个管子是干嘛的？ Is this pipe? I don't understand the use. I don't know the use of this pipe. Oh man, I just cannot stop looking at this structure. Oh. Let's go back through this direction.
都不是还能有有点小。
你说这个可以150，
这个是1.4米
啊，
长是1.4米
，1.4米，里面能装150，150
只，150，
大的时候啊，
对，
大的时候150，
大的时候3层150只，一层放50只，一层50只
啊，一层50只，哦
最大的时候
，150，
这一组是放150只。
OK，我明白，OK。
How do you think this case?
No, it's great. It's a very good crate.
这就是咱们国内
啊，
养肉鸡最高端的笼子了。
哦，我们那边肯定不行了，肯定是要跟哪个，就是像我们这种的不行，
为什么？
需要很多钱。
有一种框架是我们造价比较低的，就是双面笼子，咱们在鸡舍看到那一个，在我们厂看到那一种，那一个造价比这个要造价低，和那个元宝腿的差不多，那个可以。
比如说这个是东风，这个红色的，
对，通风窗，
东风窗，
对，通风的，
但是
通风的，
可以做这种，就是你需要风的时候可以把它上去吗？
对，
把这个拉上去，
可以，
哦，
对，这些都是可以打开的，
都可以控制的。
哦，
这些都是可以打开的，
对，
外边是水帘，
对，
里边是导流板，
哦，OK， 哇，但是这个应该是国内用的，
对，
国外
国家应该没有吧？
不是说我的国家是好像是不能，国外不能用，就是出不了口。
这玩意儿这个东西不能出口。
对，应该是出不行，就是当地中国不能用的。但是如果这里能用，我们也能用呀。
在那边造就行，这个厂子造饲料就行。
这个叫，我想知道放了什么里面。哇，510跟
这个就是8至21天不一样，这个段吃的不一样。这是0至7天，那个是8至21天的。
0到7天，
对，吃这个。对，
这个是
8到21天，21天以后再换大料，还有一个。
我本来就是想问这个事情，因为从第1天不可能吃到，
对，就小的吃大的，
小的吃这个
吃这个不是这小的吃这个还细
，1个礼拜，
吃完这个再吃这个。
它跟那个没关系，看到没有？这个颗粒比较小，那个颗粒比这个颗粒要大。再到大鸡的时候，颗粒比那个还大。它成分基本上都是一样的。它
价格呢？
价格也是一样的，
差不多。
它都是按斤的，
稍微贵一点，这个
按重量。
这个小鸡吃的这个，
对，小鸡的这个应该贵。
对，这个
稍微贵一点，因为它添加的多一点。
This is their feed. I'm trying to check out. This is the feed they're using. I don't know if it's concentrate or it's what, but I'll take a picture, go translate and see the ingredients that is inside, so I can understand exactly what they are using to feed their chicken. But it seems as if this is some kind of starter, from what he said, from 0 to 7 days. From 0 to 7 days, they're using this feed. And then from 8 to 14 days, they're using this one. And then after that, they have another one that they're giving them to eat. So, man, this is a typical farm. He's the only one here, as you can see. This is the only, okay, this is what they use for heating.
这是煤炭。
煤炭. This is what they call coal. We call it charcoal with our place. This one is coal, but it's different from charcoal. No, it's the same. This one is a little bit harder. But this is what they call cold. He uses it here when he burns it, generate heat, and then he uses it to warm the structure. So, I mean, he's the only one here, and he's the only one controlling the entire farm. Just one person. 你一个人？
一个人就可以。
你一个人管？
一个人
光管，没事。
我的妈呀！我农场我请了3个人，他们还在。
这个遥控出粪、上料倒的，
所有的都是全自动的。
Everything.
上料、清粪都是全自动的。
Yes. Everything here is automatic. That's the button right there for once they want to feed, they turn on the button, feed goes up. This one, everything automatic. 太棒了。
哎，那么你电脑里。
So this is the computer right
上
here.
面那个电脑控制它的。
There's a computer right there
那个不是
inside.
上面，底下是监控，上面那个电脑。
Okay, 上面。
对，上
So
面那一个。
he can just sit inside there and then he monitors everything.
看一下
The surrounding.
你看一下。
没的话，我也要看。
这温度里边都有了。
控制它的温度多少度里边。
对。
冷了自动加温。
So this is the monitor. He monitors the temperature inside the structure. Right inside his bedroom. This is his bedroom right here. You can see those cameras in his bingo. Inside his bedroom, he can monitor everything. Like who is around his farm, he's able to monitor. The temperature, he's able to monitor. He can go downtown, connect the monitor to his phone. He can leave and go downtown and then monitor everything through his mobile phone. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end the video right here. Please subscribe. If you love such content, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Each time I will load a video, you will be notified. You'll be able to learn, comment, and ask questions. Thank you. Bye-bye. Our farmer in this, Chinese farmer.